Hey there! Today I'm diving into something super important, Cybersecurity 101. In this digital age, where almost everything is connected to the internet, it's crucial to know how to protect yourself online. Let's talk about how you can protect yourself online with constant vigilance and a healthy dose of skepticism. These two habits can make a world of difference in keeping your personal information safe. First things first, your passwords. They are the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your accounts. Make sure they're strong and unique. A weak password is like leaving your front door unlocked. A good password should be at least 12 characters long, mixing upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. This complexity makes it much harder for hackers to crack. Don't use the same password for multiple accounts. If one account gets compromised, others will be at risk too. If you need help managing all those passwords, a password manager is your best friend. It securely stores and generates strong passwords for you. Next up, two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. It's a simple step that adds an extra layer of security. Even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without that second factor. Think of it as a double lock on your digital door. It's an extra step, but it's worth the peace of mind. Now, let's talk about phishing. Phishing attacks are one of the most common ways hackers try to steal your information. Always be skeptical of emails or messages from unknown sources. They often look legitimate, but can be very deceptive. If a message looks fishy, don't click on any links or download attachments. It's better to be safe than sorry. A good rule of thumb is if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your instincts and verify the source. Recognize the signs of phishing emails. Poor grammar, urgent language, and suspicious links or attachments are common indicators. Double-check URLs before entering sensitive information. Make sure you're on a legitimate website. Only download apps from trusted sources like the official app stores. This reduces the risk of downloading malicious software. Keep your software up to date. This includes your operating system, browser, and any apps you use. Updates often include important security patches. These patches fix vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Set your devices to update automatically if possible. This ensures you're always protected with the latest security measures. Public Wi-Fi is convenient but risky. It's a common target for hackers looking to intercept your data. Avoid accessing sensitive information when connected to public networks. This includes online banking and shopping. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your data. A VPN creates a secure tunnel for your information. Regularly back up your data. This is crucial in case of a cyber attack or hardware failure. In case of a cyber attack, having backups ensures you don't lose important information. It's a safety net that can save you a lot of trouble. Use both physical drives and cloud services for a double layer of protection. This way, if one fails, you still have the other. Lastly, educate yourself continuously. The world of cybersecurity is always changing. Cyber threats are always evolving, so stay informed about the latest trends and tactics. Knowledge is power when it comes to staying safe online. There are plenty of resources online to help you stay ahead of the curve. From articles to tutorials, make use of these tools. Remember, what you learn today can shape your future cybersecurity habits. The more you know, the better you can protect yourself. Stay vigilant, stay skeptical, and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Your online safety is in your hands. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on staying safe in the digital world. We're here to help you navigate the digital landscape securely.